In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website for car detailing using Wix. We'll walk you through creating a professional and eye-catching site that can attract customers and showcase your services effectively. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com and click Create New Site. When prompted to choose the type of website, type in car detailing or auto services. This will help Wix provide you with the most relevant templates. Then, depending on the style you're aiming for, whether it's car detailing, auto repair, car wash, or small business, a local service, pick a template that best represents your business. Look for those with essential features like a booking button, service pricing sections, a gallery for before and after photos, and a contact form. Remember, you can always customize any template to suit your needs, so select one that fits your brand's vibe and general layout preferences. Next, it's time to dive into customizing your design and branding. Open the editor and select any section you want to modify. Here you can edit text, images, and background colors to align with your brand. Adding your logo and updating your business name is crucial. For instance, you could name it Shine Master Auto Detailing or similar. Adjust the color scheme to match your branding. Popular choices for car services often include black, blue, silver, or red. Replace any stock images with high-quality photos of your work. This might include before and after shots of your services, close-ups of detailing results, and pictures of your workshop or vehicle. Upon establishing your brand, it's vital to add key pages for your car detailing business. These pages will build trust and help convert visitors into bookings. Essential pages include a home page with a brief intro, a Book Now button, and an eye-catching hero image, a services page detailing various offerings like interior detailing, exterior wash, and ceramic coating with their prices, and a gallery or before and after page showcasing the quality of your work. Furthermore, add a testimonials page for customer reviews, a book online page for direct appointment bookings, and a contact page with all necessary contact info. To streamline bookings, consider integrating an online booking system like Wix Bookings. Simply click plus Add Apps in the left sidebar, find Wix Bookings, and add it to your site. Set up your services by specifying the service names, durations, and prices. Optionally, add staff members if you have a team. Then, define available days and times, and don't forget to include a Book Now button on your website's primary pages. Clearly displaying your pricing is another key aspect, as transparency fosters trust with potential clients. Create a pricing section with cards or tables to clearly outline your pricing tiers and services, and make sure to include a Book Now button for easy navigation. To highlight your detailing expertise, add a before and after gallery. Go to Add a Gallery and choose either a grid or slider gallery layout. Upload your detailing photos and clearly label them as before and after. To give an extra edge, you may also embed your Instagram feed using the Social Stream app to show recent work. Finally, optimize your website for mobile viewing, as most customers will likely find you via their phones. Switch to mobile view in the Wix editor and make necessary adjustments to spacing, text size, and buttons to fit smaller screens. Ensure your Book Now and Call Us buttons are prominently visible, providing easy access for your customers. And that's it! With these simple steps, you'll have created a stylish and functional website for your car detailing business, ready to impress visitors and convert them into loyal customers. Happy designing!